Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Sayyidina Kareemun sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam.
I am homeopathic Dr. Zufar Hamid Malik. I am often asked to suggest a medicine that makes a patient feel energetic, increases appetite, and removes tiredness. Today I will tell you about a medicine that I have been using in my homeopathic practice for the last 20 years. That medicine is Avena Sativa Q. Avena Sativa is a great source of strength for the brain and nerves. It is an excellent homeopathic medicine for the growth and development of the human body. It is very effective for weakness after illness. This medicine plays an important role in helping people quit alcohol and is also very helpful for sleeplessness caused by alcohol use. It is an excellent brain tonic for teachers and students. This medicine is also very beneficial for semen weakness, premature ejaculation, and male strength. To get more informative videos and effective remedies, please follow me. Please like and share this video.